friends, welcome to my channel Steno Daily Updates. Today's matter, mixed matter regarding exam of Steno. So we ready for dictation? One, 2, 3, start. Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, belief systems, political systems, artifacts, and technologies that originated in or associated with the Indian subcontinent. Full stop. The term also applies beyond India to countries and cultures whose histories are strongly connected to India by immigrations, colonization, or influence, particularly in South Asia and Southeast Asia. India's languages, religions, dance, music, and architecture, food, and customs differ from place to place within the country. Full stop. Indian culture, often labeled as a combination of several cultures, has been influenced by a history that is several millennia old, beginning with the Indus Valley civilization. Many elements of Indian culture, such as Indian religions, mathematics, philosophy, cuisine, languages, dance, music, and movies, have had a profound impact across the Indosphere, Greater India, and the world. India origin, religions, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism are all based on the concepts of dharma and karma. Ahimsa, the philosophy of non-violence, so an important aspect of native Indian faiths, whose most well-known proponent was Mahatma Gandhi, who used civil disobedience to unite India during the Indian independence movement. This philosophy further inspired Martin Luther King Jr. during the American Civil Rights Movement. Full stop. Foreign origin religion, including Abrahamic religions such as Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, are also present in India. India has 28 states and 8 union territories with different culture, and it is the second most populated country in the world. Traditional clothing in India greatly varies across different parts of the country and is influenced by local culture, geography, climate, and rural urban settings. Popular styles of dress include draped garments such as sari and mekhela sador for women and dhoti or lungi for men. India Dram and Theatre has a long history alongside its music and dance. Kalidas plays like Sakuntala and Medut are some of the older dramas, following those of Bhasa. Field hockey was considered to be the national game of India, but this has been recently denied by the Government of India, clarifying on a Right to Information Act RTI filed that India has not declared any sport as the national game at a time when it was especially popular. The Indian national field hockey team won the 1975 Men's Hockey World Cup and 8 gold medal, silver, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals at the Olympic Games. However, field hockey in India no longer has the following that it once did. Football is popular in the Indian state of Kerala, also considered as home of football in India. The city of Kolkata is the home to the largest stadium in India and the second largest stadium in the world by capacity. One of the best known forms of ancient Indian martial arts is the Kalaripayattu from Kerala. This ancient fighting style is mentioned in Sangam literature, is regarded as one of the oldest surviving martial arts. In this form of martial arts, various stages of physical training, including Ayurvedic massage with sesame oil to impart suppleness to the body, a series of sharp body movements so as to gain control over various parts of the body, and complex sword fighting techniques. Indian martial arts techniques have had a profound impact on other martial arts styles across Asia. In our Bollywood, Vidut Jamwal actor is one of them those fully aware about Kalaripayattu and trained in an ashram in Palakkad, Kerala. In its judgment, setting aside the provisions in the Tribunal's Reforms Ordinance 2021, which fixed the terms of members of various tribunals as 4 years, the Supreme Court called upon the Centre to ensure that all the vacancies in the tribunals are filled up without delay while defending its schemes for welfare of minority communities at various levels. The Union of India has on Tuesday informed the Supreme Court that the schemes are not in contradiction to the principles of equality as enshrined in the Constitution and do not violate rights of members of other communities.